What is up, you guys? So today I did want to bring you a video that I mentioned, and that is how to utilize your phone with this piece over here. And technically what we're doing is going from this to this, because about 95 to 98% of everything that I have in here fits in here. So I just wanted to demonstrate that to you guys, how to pack a mini bag like a boss. So let's get started. Here is everything that fits in my Trendy. Let's go over it. I have my Fendi Nano Baguette, my O pouch, my key case, my phone, a pair of sunglasses, and my card case. Here are all of the contents of my Trendy. So let's condense. I did want to say though that in all fairness, I only will use either my Nano Baguette or my Chanel key case. I don't ever use both. I don't have a use for both, but I just wanted to demonstrate what fits in the Trendy. But again, I only use one of these. Also, very quickly, I wanted to mention I have filmed a separate video on what I carry in my key case and what I carry in my O pouch. So I will link that in the description box down below for you guys to check out, just because I didn't want to go through it again on this video. But the video will be linked in the description box down below. Okay, so I have condensed and basically taken everything out of my pouches, and this is what is technically, this is about 95% of everything that is in my pouches. I have my phone that usually has a key, its own case. I have a Bossia, my cash, I have a wet one, I have a full-size pen, 4 cards, I have scissors, my car key, tweezers, 3 bobby pins, headache medicine, blotting sheets, a lipstick, hand sanitizer, and sunglasses. And all of this is gonna go into there. Firstly, we are going to put these flat items right up against here. Okay, next I am going to open up this Bostia and put the cash. I had up to 8 bills, so I guess if you have hundreds, you can fit up to $800 comfortably. I'm putting my headache medicine behind that. And just to note, I can also put this over here. But for now, I'm just gonna put it over here. My car key, my house keys, my tweezers, my bobby pins, and that is everything that goes in here. I am going to put the blotting sheets in here. going to shrink my pen and also put that right in there. And, oh, let me get these glasses in there. So the glasses are now in the pouch. Here goes the Bastia. And little lipstick. Now, the only thing that is left is my phone. Now, there are two ways that you can use your phone with this piece. Let me demonstrate that now. So method number one is with a phone case. I know that I have this Chanel one, but they do sell very Chanel-esque ones on Amazon. I will link some below, and they have the exact same function. So all I have done is I have attached the chain in here, and it is very similar to the multi-pochette kind of way. Now, instead of using this chain as a crossbody, I will use this as a necklace, or put it on as a necklace, and then it will sit perfectly on here. So that is the first way that I would suggest that you use it. I will also demonstrate in a mod shot. Now, there is another way. Also, if you wanted to make additional room in here and you wanted to alternate the phone option with what I will be showing you next, you can just attach your keys over here as well, your key case, and that also alleviates some of the room in here for your car keys and your house keys. And like I carry my pen in usually in here, so it would actually take leave me with more room in here. And you will need to use your phone in the manner that I'm about to show you. But this is a fun way, again, very multi-pochette inspired, that I think also adds additional function to this little piece that I thought was a fun idea to share with you guys. And I actually really love how this looks. I did also forget that I do carry a chapstick in here, so there is room in there for that. And yeah, so I did forget to photograph that, but yeah, a chapstick goes in there as well. Okay, you guys, so how do we shrink this phone? Here it is. This is an Apple Watch. Now, when Apple Watches were initially made, I really wanted one, but you still needed a phone in order to use them. Secondly, I would never actually wear one on my wrist. And I did buy one for my son and my husband, and I thought they were so cool. So I started doing additional research on the Apple Watch, and I found out that they make cellular versions now, which means you don't actually need your full-size phone in order to use your phone. And I thought, oh my God, that's so brilliant. But again, I still wouldn't wear one on my wrist. I feel like they would make my wrist look too masculine, and they wouldn't necessarily like how they look with my Cartier pieces. So I got it in my head that I needed a pocket watch or a necklace. And I located a company that does make them. Now this one, they're going to create a new one for the newest one. This one actually does not fit this phone properly. If you have a 42-inch Apple Watch, it will fit. This is a 44 millimeter, and that's actually the one that I want. But it will snap into place, and you can either wear it as a necklace or you can use it as a pocket watch, and it totally fits inside of this bag. So there you have it. And this actually totally and completely zips. There is nothing funky happening anywhere. With regards to the sunglasses, those sunglasses are inspired by a Gucci pair of sunglasses that I located. I can't wear small sunglasses. I need oversized sunglasses for the shape of my face. And the ones that I demonstrated are Gucci, and they're 69 millimeters. So usually foldable sunglasses are smaller than that, and I was thrilled to find them, or these versions, on eBay. They do have the original Gucci ones, but I wanted to try these out to see if I even like them, and so far I'm loving them, and I love that they fit in this little bag. So yeah, you guys, I am very impressed with this little bag. I'm impressed with my packing skills. I will say that a lot of people tend to purchase items that they like, and then they're upset that things don't fit in their bags. I shop differently. I shop for my bags, if that makes sense. So anytime that I'm buying an SLG or I'm buying anything at all, like those glasses, I buy them specifically for my mini bags. I'm pretty sure that I could also fit a travel size perfume in here with everything that I have. And like I said, if I removed my keys, and I could actually make a little bit more room in here. So let's take everything out now, just so you can see that I actually did add all of those things in here. So here is the watch. Here is the Bastia. It's a lot easier with two hands, I promise. Here is the sunglasses. Let me pull them out. Here is the chapstick, hand sanitizer, lipstick, the cards, the wet one, and I still have the blotting sheets, and the full-size pen. So this is why I realized how amazing this little piece was. It's so cute, you guys. And just to touch a little bit more on this, hang on real quick. This little pocket watch even fits perfectly inside of my Nano Baguette. I just think it is the coolest thing on earth. I can't wait. I believe October is when they will be releasing the 44 millimeter watch. I actually bought this just because I wanted to see if it was gonna work, and if I liked it. It was on super sale. I think they still might have one if you have an old iPhone. But yeah, I just think it's brilliant. Yes, you will be giving up a camera, and usually when I go this compact, I know my husband has his phone, so I would also carry my phone and kind of leave it in the car, to be quite honest. But I tend to exist in the moment. I'm not always on my phone when I leave my home. So I think that this is an amazing alternative. Again, now that they make the cellular version, I'm like giddy, and I cannot wait to get my Apple Watch. So yeah, you guys, let me know what your thoughts are. Again, I will link everything that I possibly can down below for you guys. I really appreciate you guys watching, and I will chat with you guys later. Bye.